post, but today we're gonna give you guys a video. And I'm using my phone today because I left my camera at home, so work with us. But anyway, we are having date night, and we're just gonna make it into a mini little video. So you guys go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. That way you can receive a notification every time we upload a new video. Yeah, follow our social media platforms, you know, things like that. But we are gonna go ahead over to Bahama Breeze. This will be his first time trying it. I've tried it back in Atlanta, so I hope he like it. But we will see you guys at the restaurant. It is raining out here, it's very ugly, but see you guys at the restaurant. All right, so we are here walking in. All right, so we have arrived. We're probably gonna have to wait for a table. Yes, don't let me touch that door. I said, don't let me touch that door. Oh, it's pretty in here, guys. Alright, we'll be back once we seated. Alright, we are in, sitting down with our menu, about to order. Yeah, we'll be back. I'm recording for both TikTok and YouTube, so I have to regulate the both. But we definitely gonna be back in one moment. Alright, so we back. We go to our drinks. I ordered me a lemon breeze, strawberry, 0% alcohol, and he got the same thing. But definitely vibe out with us, guys. We're gonna see what we're gonna eat. He don't know what he's gonna eat. Neither do I. But comment below if y'all ever had Bahama Breeze. I told you chicken was good, jerk chicken pasta. Does that even look good to you?
I'm not sure. Like a TV does.
It do like I don't know, they got chicken breast, nugget ribs. I have no idea what I'm gonna order, guys, at all. Jerk shrimp pineapple bowl, salted shrimp, white rice, diced pineapples, and sweet peppers. Toss it in a jerk pineapple glaze. Served in a fresh cut bowl. I think I might try that.
More like that part.
Chicken?
Chicken wings.
I hope that's good, because I like pineapple, but I don't know if I like it in my food.
They come with a side or something.
I don't know. I think it just comes with the chicken. There it is. It tells you right here.
Oh.
I got classic chicken wings right here. Oh, so they do got different flavors.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
Citrus mustard.
Jerk chicken sandwich.
That sounds good. Yeah, I'm scared. I want the pineapple bowl, but I don't know. I don't like pineapple in my food, but I love pineapple. But it sounds so good. No, I want to try new stuff. Sauteed shrimp, white rice, diced pineapples, and sweet peppers, sauce, and a jerk. It might be good. I think it's going to be good. I'm going to have faith. I only got a jerk chicken pineapple bowl. Do I want shrimp or chicken? I don't be caring for shrimp like that. So I say chicken or same thing. Chicken or shrimp.
I probably would do chicken.
Chicken?
But then I would do shrimp too, so I don't know.
Hey. you go. And it always comes with a little bit extra, so we like to bring you another cup.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like the tropical icy mango thing. That's more like the tropical icy mango strawberry. That's more like an icy.
That's like an icy. Yeah, I thought you said you wanted the strawberry.
No, I did. I had that one before, but I thought it was similar for some reason. This only my second time, so I thought it was gonna be similar, but it's fine.
Are you sure? I can go ahead and bring it in and take these back. They make them super quick.
I don't know. I kind of want to taste this.
Yeah. Let me know how you like it. If not, I can just take it back.
Okay.
All right, sounds good.
Oh, can we get a straw?
And yes, I got two straws for you guys.
I taste it right now, man.
Yeah, let me know. All right, and did you all need a second to look over the menu, or can I get anything else started for you?
I have a question. Is this jerk? Is the jerk shrimp pineapple bowl good?
It's so good. I get the jerk shrimp pineapple bowl. Sometimes I swap it out with salmon, or I'll get like the jerk chicken pasta, the jerk shrimp pasta. Those are my main things. So.
That's good. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
Keep it. All right. Awesome.
So you said which one? Jerk chicken or pineapple? I mean shrimp.
The jerk shrimp, yeah, it's really good. The pineapple bowl is really good, and it's a lot of food.
Is better than the chicken?
I'm pescatarian, so I haven't had the chicken, but it looks good. But honestly, you know what? I'm not gonna lie to you. I've had a few people send back the jerk chicken bowl because of the chicken texture, but I've never had the jerk shrimp bowl sent back.
Okay, so we're gonna try the jerk shrimp pineapple bowl.
Sounds good.
That's the one I'll try. Huh?
Oh, no, I'm looking at something.
And for you, sir?
It's the jerk wings. It's sweet.
The jerk wings?
It's like a sweet taste.
No, it has a kick to it. It's not, yeah.
I think you would like them though. Well, it's up to you.
I don't like it.
So I'll get these wraps later.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
I'll get the jerk wings.
Jerk wings? All right, awesome.
If you don't like them, you can order something.
And you wanted that as your entree, right?
Did you want something else or just that?
Yeah, I just want that.
Yeah, awesome. Jerk wings. All right, sounds good. I'll go ahead and get that started for you guys.
Thank you.
Of course, I'll get the menu out of your way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course, and if you wanted to browse the menu at all or check out anything else, the Zios on here, you can browse whatever, okay?
Okay.
Oh, it looks good.
So what is it? Just like fruit?
Strawberry drink. Strawberry lemonade.
Oh, just lemonade. Oh.
Yeah, you just chose not to have alcohol in it.
Well, I know it was there. I thought it was like, last time someone said kiwi and all different stuff mixed up. I guess that's something else.
You don't like it?
It's good. It's sweet. That's what Kool-Aid. Probably gonna have it in the back.
All right, we be back. All right, guys. So food has arrived. This is the shrimp pineapple bowl with the jerk sauce, and then we got empanadas for appetizers with our drinks. And he has the jerk chicken. I hope he liked it because he never had it, but I told him it was pretty good. And we're about to dig in, so watch us eat.
I think I'm gonna try the enchiladas.
You gonna try the what, babe?
The enchiladas. I'm gonna try the enchiladas.
The empanadas.
I try.
Go ahead, try it. How it taste? Tastes good? I'm gonna taste one.
It's pretty good.
Yep.
Pretty good.
Ooh. All right. Chocolate sauce.
Oh, I'm about to say. What is it? Pineapple sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Makes it drop a little bit of that. Not bad. The pineapple sauce not bad. I don't eat sour cream, but I'm gonna try it.
Hold on, we grab it. Alright. So, how you like your wings? Let me taste. You like them? Yeah, this bowl is good. I'm not even about to buy it. You like it?
Is it like jerk wings or something? I don't know. It's like, I like jerk food, but I don't like that jerky jerk taste.
So you don't like
It's
it?
like,
It's nasty?
no, I'm saying this don't taste the way I thought it was gonna taste. Because it's called jerk. I was looking for like a jerk would be a little bit more stronger
You
than
did
that.
the sauce?
Like it's really good. Tastes way better than I thought.
Not really.
Like grilled wings or something.
Oh, that sounds good. That was for me and you. It was just too hot for me to pick up.
Well, it's really low. Yeah, it's all good.
And they say he liked the empanadas. In his words.
I'm in love with enchiladas.
YouTube is gonna copyright me because this music, I did not even know the music was
I
on.
mean, I know give me swipe.
Go ahead.
All over you.
Go ahead.
I want a pineapple.
You don't even like pineapple.
I eat it with rice like this. Isn't that weird? It's weird, ain't it? With a little bit of ranch. And a little bit of this.
Now you doing too much now.
I'm gonna do that. That's good.
What?
Okay.
It's good. So do you like the place?
I do.
He was scared to try the place because he never had it. And he don't like new stuff, y'all. He like what he used to have, what he used to.
Well, I just be on some simple wings and that'd be good. And I know I eat plenty of steak, but you ain't gonna pinch me.
That chicken good.
Yeah, this chicken looks real good.
Let me get some rain. You should have some more rain.
I am. But it really tastes. The taste hit me different. I wasn't expecting that taste from it. I think I had it was a bit more living in Charlotte. It was a jerk place like right. A-Wings, it was something. It didn't taste too good. It's like the jerk took was too strong or something. You can't just throw it out, throw it away from the taste. This right chilling?
That was good. Let me chicken.
Only from the second.
So good. We got a thumbnail.
My enchilada.
Hold it up again. You're not supposed to be chewing on the thumbnail. Can you just hold the enchilada?
I did, but I just had some.
Okay.
I did.
Whatever it is, it's gonna work.
I'm really putting a little. You're not making my dog.
I mean, I probably could try. How you like them? He don't be trusting my word. I'm glad. I'm glad I trusted my gut and got something different. Cause I always get steak, but this is really good.
Yeah, I don't think you can really go wrong with like bowls and stuff, but that one is. I like this the way you got it set up. Those are really good.
Let me eat it with a pineapple.
I like the pineapple good, that sweet taste. Yeah, you can't just really taste pineapple.
You're not gonna eat the pineapple they gave me?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that.
Ooh, I took that water. That's sweet.
Good as well. might take another bite of the enchilada. What is it called up there?
Empanada.
Empanada. Empanada enchilada, same thing.
Alright, I'm gonna end this clip right here. Y'all don't have to watch this clip the whole time. Alright guys, so dinner was satisfying. It's over. It was actually pretty good. But your girl is full and ready to go home. What about you?
Huh?
How about you?
Yeah.
But of course, we gotta make a quick stop because I gotta get me some chocolate. Because I want me. What's too much?
Target.
We're going to Target because I want me some. Something on my teeth. Before I got food all on my teeth and Josh wasn't gonna say nothing.
You ain't had to look at my face.
Going to Target so I can give me some chocolate. So see you guys at Target and then we're going home, call it a night. Because yeah,
It's crazy how fast the day went. Well, we were asleep earlier and stuff.
this day did go by fast.
We were knocked out.
This time change got us a little tired. But alright guys, see you at the store. Alright, we finally made it into Target, guys. Yeah, I know this vlog or this video, it's very dull because it really is. It really is. Thursday night. But this vlog is so dry because I'm just not really in the recording mood. But I need content, right? So I'm gonna record because I need content for my channel. But really and truly, are you in the mood?
Only reason I'm not because my nails hurt, but I mean I'm here.
I think I got the mood after we ate. Cause right now I'm just tired and stuff. I don't feel like being bothered really, but yeah, we got about the Christmas section last time. That's why.
Christmas section.
Yeah, but this is just gonna wrap up this mini vlog, guys. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.